By the end of this video, you will know how to enable two-factor authentication in Zapier. Start by signing in to your Zapier account. Once you are on the main dashboard, move to the top area of the screen and click your profile picture. From that menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings area, open Security and Data. This is where Zapier keeps the account protection options you will need for this setup. When the Security and Data page opens, look for the Security section. In that section, click Two-Factor Authentication, or 2FA. This opens the page where you can turn on the extra sign-in verification for your account. If you do not see it right away, stay within the Security section and look for the line that specifically mentions 2FA. On the 2FA page, click Setup 2FA to begin. Zapier will then display the setup screen for an authenticator app. At this point, have your mobile device nearby, because the next step happens in the app you use for authentication codes. Open your authenticator app on your phone. In most apps, you will tap the plus icon to add a new account, then scan the QR code shown on your Zapier screen. Make sure the QR code stays visible while you scan it, since moving away from the page too early can interrupt the process. If your app cannot scan the code, use the alternate option in Zapier by clicking Copy Code instead. This will give you a setup key that you can enter manually into the Authenticator app. After the account is added in your Authenticator app, the app will generate a 6-digit verification code. Return to Zapier and enter that code in the verification field. These codes change regularly, so enter the current code before it expires. Once the code is in place, click Next Step to continue. Zapier will then provide recovery codes. These are meant for account access if your Authenticator app is unavailable later, so save them in a secure location before moving on. You may be given an option to download them, or you may need to copy and store them securely. After you have saved the recovery codes, continue to the next step. The next screen will ask you to verify those recovery codes. Enter the requested recovery code or codes exactly as shown in your saved copy, then continue. This confirms that you have stored them correctly and can use them if needed in the future. To finish, complete any remaining verification prompts that Zapier shows. This may include emergency verification depending on your account setup. Follow the on-screen instructions until Zapier confirms that two-factor authentication is enabled. Before leaving the page, check for the status message or indicator showing that 2FA is now active on your Zapier account. Two-factor authentication is now enabled for your Zapier account.